Well, I'm really excited for today's lunch, as today's lunch is from this box that I've ordered from Barbecue Nation. This entire meal is called Barbecue in a Box and it costs around 900 bucks, and you can order it by Swiggy or Zomato. Thinking of the experiences I had dining at Barbecue Nation, I couldn't wait to open this box. This happens to be the first layer of the box, and for someone like me who's fond of sweets, having desserts just on the first layer of the box is absolutely great. I'll just take out this box and open it. This seems to be moong dal ka halwa. This is gulab jamun. Wow. This is your brownie. And these are the dips and chutney. Yeah, so I guess we are sorted with sweet. Now I'll just take out the second layer of the box. The first dish that I opened is dum ka murg, and as the name suggests, it has some damdar aroma as well. This is just a plain gravy. Let's keep this aside for a while. And here is my favorite biryani, as usual, aromatic and blissful. This lalsa looking mutton dish is lal mas, and the final bowl that I'm about to open is kali dal. Starters are the favorite course of my meal, and to the extreme left of the table you see 3 pieces of chicken wings and garlic chicken, and to the center you see the veg box that contains around 5 pieces of potato wedges and harabara kebab. And now comes my favorite part, the fish haryali and the garlic prawns. Now fish and haryali are two contrasting words, but trust me guys, I've tried this earlier. They blend really well. All in all, my honest opinion is that some of the dishes that I tried were really very good, and the portion size could suffice easily for 2 to 3 people, which makes barbecue in a box a value for money meal. So definitely try it and let me know.